Welcome to our TRXio tutorial videos. In this video, we'll go over how to manage brands, product families, sources, products, and internal locations in vehicles. To access any of these, you're going to need to go to the Manage tab and choose one. We're going to start with brands. For brand, every piece of inventory needs to have a brand associated with it, so you can choose it when you enter inventory made by that company. To add a new brand, you're going to click on Add Brands. Then you have a host of information you can enter on that particular brand, but the only thing that is required is the brand name. Once you're done, press Save or Save and go back to List. And you've created a brand. If you later want to edit any of these brands to add information, just click on the one you want and it will bring it up. Add or change any information and once again update it and go back to the list. Next is product family. Inventory can be grouped with similar items so it's easier to manage or track. So once again, up to the Manage tab, choose Product Families, take you to the Product Family screen. You want to add a new product family, click on the Add Product Family button. Once again, the name is the only required piece of information. You can also choose a parent, thereby making your family a subfamily, which we're going to do in this case. We'll choose speakers and make home speakers family. Save and go back to list. And you can see we've created a product family of home speakers, which has a parent of speakers. Next on the list is sources. Go up to the Manage tab and choose sources. Sources can be brands, but if you purchase from a vendor or distributor, you can add their information here. Click on Add Sources. Type in the name of your distributor. Any other information you would like to add, and save and go back to the list. And you've created a source. Next on the list is products. Now products can also be added on the Add Inventory page, but here you can add a product and put in all sorts of information about it, and then once you've done that, you can automatically select that product on the Add Inventory page by typing in part of the name or by scanning the UPC code. So we're going to create a product here. First, family, and we'll use the families we created earlier. Once again, the asterisks are the required fields. And if you want to be able to find it by UPC code, you need to enter that in at this point. And once you've got everything you want in, update and go back to list. And you've created a product. Next is internal locations. This page is for adding or editing information about the physical places where you store your inventory. So just click on Add Internal Location. Enter the name of your internal location spot, and you've created a location that can be chosen later when you add inventory. Our last item for this tutorial is internal vehicles. If your company has vehicles that routinely carry or store inventory, then this page is for adding or editing information about those vehicles. You can click Add Internal Vehicle, come up with whatever name you choose. Save it. and you've got yourself an internal vehicle. That's it for this brief overview of some of the options under the Manage tab. We'll go over the rest of the options and how to use the ones we've shown you today in future tutorials. We hope you found this useful, and thanks for using TRXio.